A knock sensor is essentially a small device in or on the engine that detects irregular vibrations and sounds that come from the engine block. It is typically attached directly to the outside of the engine block, but in some cases, it is located underneath the intake manifold. A faulty knock sensor can result in poor fuel economy. It may also cause engine vibration, especially at highway speed. And you may experience poor acceleration while driving. It will turn on the check engine light on your dashboard and store the knock sensor related error codes. If your vehicle has encountered knock sensor related problems, here is one method to fix the knock sensor. Method A. Test and replace the knock sensor. First, carefully remove the knock sensor from the engine. Use a multimeter to proceed with a resistance test on the knock sensor. In order to get a correct reading, check your check owner's manual to see the specific knock sensor resistance range for your vehicle. If you don't get a reading, this indicates that the knock sensor is faulty and needs to be replaced. So here is one method to fix the knock sensor. To save more money on car expenses, claim a free engine code scanner by clicking the link here or at the description link below. You're also welcome to leave comments below. Our mechanic professionals will answer them shortly. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks again for watching this video.